Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes, Standard 8, Subject English, Section Grammar, Unit 5, Topic Articles. Let us solve the exercise and write down the answers. Articles. The word a and the are called articles. Articles are used before nouns or adjectives. They are used to clarify if a noun is specific or not specific. Now, how many kinds of articles are there? Let us see. There are two kinds of articles, definite article and indefinite articles. Definite article. It refers to a particular person or thing, means it is definite and special, and it is the. The is known as the definite article. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles does not refer to a particular person or thing, means it is related to things which are common. That's why we use a or an words which are common and not a particular thing or not a particular person. Definite articles. It is the most commonest specific determiner. It can be used with any common noun. It is the same for singular and plural and for all genders. It is used with the object or group of object if it is unique. Example, the sun, the earth, the stars, etc. The use of article the plus unique things in nature. Example, the sun, the earth. Second point, the plus adjective class of persons. Example, the second boy, the wisest girl. Third, the plus adjective. Example, the old, the rich, the poor. Fourth point, the plus proper nouns with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, holy books, trains, aeroplanes, newspaper, direction. Example, the Pacific Ocean, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Bible, the Taj Express, the Kanishk, the Indian Express, the North, the West. Fifth point, the plus common time expansion. Example, in the afternoon, at the moment, in the past. Sixth point, with superlatives. Akbar was the greatest king, the sweetest song, Ram is the most intelligent student. Seventh point, expectations. If an author's name is mentioned, the is not used. Valmiki's Ramayana. We do not use the before languages and subject. Example, we speak Marathi at home. Ninth point, we do not use the before parts of the body. Seasons, days, months, colors, diseases, etc. The specific use of article an plus before vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Example, an apple, an umbrella, an ice cream, an import, an owl. Second, before countables in the singular number. Example, an egg. Third point, if a word begins with a consonant but is spoken with a vowel sound, the article an is used before such words. Example, an hour, an honorable person, an honest boy. In each of these cases, the first consonant letter H is silent. Fourth point, in abbreviations, if consonant begins with a vowel sound. Example, an MA, an MP, an MBBS doctor. Fifth point, but if a word begins with a vowel and does not give a sound of a vowel, the article an will not be used. Example, a 1 rupee note, a European lady, a usual answer. These words begin with a W or Y sound when pronounced, thus taking on the qualities of a consonant. General use of the indefinite article a plus singular countable noun. Example, a boy, a girl. Second point, it is used when someone or something is mentioned for the first time. Example, I saw a beggar on the road. Third point, it is used with a noun complement, includes name of profession. She is a singer, he is a doctor. Fourth point, it is also used with a singular countable noun that represent a class of things. Example, a man is a social animal, a children needs love and care. Omission of articles before two common nouns. Example, man and woman before a proper noun. Example, Asia, India, Mumbai before a material noun. Example, gold before an abstract noun. Example, silence before titles preceding proper noun. Mother Teresa before names of relatives, mummy, daddy, uncle. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. First point, gold is a dash precious metal. Answer, a. Second point, Sakshi is dash intelligent girl. Answer is an. Third point, he is one of dash best student of my class. Answer, the. Fourth point, the children found dash egg in the nest. Answer, an. Fifth point, he died dash year ago. Answer, a. Sixth point, he returned home after dash hour. Answer, an. Brother is dash honorable man. Answer, an. Eighth point, I opened the door and found dash old man. Answer is an. She sent dash note to her cousins. Answer, a. I found dash empty tin. Answer, an. Question number 2, insert articles wherever necessary. In the first point, there is no article required. In the second point, she lives in a small town. I will only repeat the answers of this. Question number 2. Third point, he likes to think of himself as an original thinker. Fourth point, tiger is a native of Asia. Fifth point, it was the happiest moment of my life. Sixth point, sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Seventh point, umbrella is useless in a thunderstorm. Eighth point, the brave soldier lost an arm in the battle. Ninth point, there was a bridge across the river. And the last one is, Mr. Brown is a teacher. 11th point, they took him to the hospital. 12th point, we must help the poor. 13th point, my mother is an English teacher. 14th point, I read the books for 30 minutes. 15th point, have you ever seen an elephant? In this manner, we have completed question number 2. Now let us jump on to question number 3. Remove the article where unnecessary. Rewrite the sentences. In this question also, I will repeat only the answers. First one, they had power to soar into space. And the second one is, we will start work in the square again. Which is the bliss of solitude? Fourth point, gold is a precious metal. Fifth point, it may remind of you computer games you play. Sixth point, we are studying English grammar. Seventh point, the stems were carved from other precious stones. 8th point, there are allies with the same mission. 9th point, what if he wants to read after sunset? And the last 10th point is, it reduces loneliness and calms your heart. In this manner, we have completed question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of English Grammar chapter number 5. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Hope you people are liking my videos. Please pass it on and tell your friends also to subscribe my channel.